If you were sleeping on a friend's floor because you'd fallen out with your family, or were being abused in your home by your partner and needed to get out, or had just come out of hospital and had no family to help you get back on your feet, how would you make sure you didn't end up on the street? How would you build a safe and secure home for you and your family? It's easy to take a home for granted, and we don't often think about the skills we use to keep it, the help we get from families and friends, or the issues that might lead us to losing our home. Cymorth Cymru supports organisations that help people tackle personal and emotional issues which would otherwise threaten their ability to live independently in their own home. The help our members provide is sometimes short-term, helping a young person find a place of their own, for example, and working with them to develop life skills like budgeting, cooking, or finding training and employment. It could also be long-term, for example, providing accommodation and support for someone with learning difficulties, who with help can have their own home rather than losing their independence. Individuals often face a range of challenges, and whatever the kind of help is needed, or for how long, all our members strive to achieve one aim: to help people find and keep a safe and secure home and build a life they aspire to. So what's Cymorth's role? Cymorth Cymru supports our members by providing staff and service development opportunities through an extensive range of training, conferences and events. We bring policymakers, service deliverers and the people accessing services together to share experiences and learn from each other. Cymorth also brings the issues people face and the services that can help to the public's attention. It's very easy to take our independence and our home for granted, but our ability to have these fundamental human needs met is fragile, and many issues can and will threaten it over our lifetime. Services that help us overcome crises and obstacles are fundamental to creating the kind of society we all want to live in, as is supporting the organisations that can help. To join Cymorth or find out more, call 029 20 55 3687 or go to www.cymorthcymru.org.uk.